Hello kids! Welcome! Today we will learn colors and alphabets. First, let's learn some colors. Purple color, orange color, blue color, green color, red color, yellow color. Now, let's write the alphabets A to Z. Let's begin. Letter A. A for aquarium. A for avocado. B. B for banana. B for bee. Letter B. Letter C. C for crocodile. C for cat. D. D for diamond. D for dust. Letter E. E for elephant. E for eagle. F. F for family. F for friends. Blue color. G. G for garden. G for gold. H. H for house. H for host. H. I for igloo. I for ice. J for jungle. J for jar. K for kiwi. K for kite. L for lemon. L for lion. Red color. M. M for monkey. M for mitten. N. N for nose. N for nurse. O for optical. O for octopus. P. P for pilot. P for pineapple. Q for quarter. Q for question. R for robot. R for rainbow. Blue color. S for scooter. S for school. T for trainer. T for truck. U for umbrella. U for university. V for violin. V for vulture. W for watermelon. W for wall. X for X-ray. X for xylophone, red color. Y for yogurt. Y for yum. Z for zebra. Z for zero. Now let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.